Assalamu alaikum student. Welcome to Pakistan Montessori International Language Series Exercises of Reading Practical number 3. Today we are introducing the phonic sound system. In fact, this is the blending word making. We need few things for this that are called the pink box and the material. Few objects to show and create sounds of those objects. Few cards, like we can have 6 to 8 cards or 6 to 8 objects in that particular exercise. We need a floor mat, as told you before, for the particular focusing. This simply practice of forming 3 phonic words independently and preparing for reading and writing. Presentation. This is an individual presentation. It's to be carried on the floor or might be on table. Full work cycle is being observed. Here, the teacher is selecting, the directress has to select few sound that has been given before, consonants and the phonics. One by one, placing on the mat, she start asking a child by sight, with the help of child, she then start collecting and selecting particular sounds. After placing those sounds on the mat along the object, she start telling the sound or the most important part, blending. P, a, n, p, a, n, p, a, n, pan. P, a, g, p, a, g, pag, pag. P, I, n, pin. P, I, n, pin. The words before that practical has been given to you with the sound. Then the second part of this exercise is having some cards, like flashcards you have in your environment. The work cycle has been observed, placing few cards on the table over the mat. Students, keep in mind, whenever you are having some object, material, tool, apparatus from its place, just bring it back. Now, selection of sounds. Here we have B, A, and yes, this one is B, O, X. Now, what is the initial sound? S, S, A, N. Finding N from the card? Yes. Now the next one. T, A, P, T, A, P. Selecting the sound from the pink box, M-A, the large vowel alphabets. She got all them on the mat. Now start sounding and blending them. B, O, X, B, O, X, box, box. Sun, S, A, N. third one, tap. T, initial sound, t, t, a, p. Through the movable alphabets, we're going to show t, a, p, t, a, p, t, a, p, tap, 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 tap. This might be repeated again and again and helps a child a lot to learn particular sounds. The sounds create words after blending. Thank you so much.